If you're ambitious but cannot make yourself start, watch this. You know the feeling when you come home after a long shift, you've got a plan, you sit down and you just don't start. That's not laziness, that's not weakness, and it's not a motivation problem. It's a cold start problem, and once you understand what's actually happening, it takes less than 2 minutes to fix. Here's the system. 92% of ambitious people never execute on their own goals, even when they execute perfectly at work every single day. Here is why. Your brain runs on a battery. By the time you finish a full shift, that battery is at 2%. And a brain at 2% does one thing. It protects itself. It shuts down everything that feels like effort. Your goal feels like effort. Surviving the evening doesn't. So the ambitious version of you, the one with the plan, the drive, the bloody list, is locked behind a battery that's already flat. Most people fail at the starting because they aim at the wrong target. They tell themselves, tonight I'll work on the channel. Tonight I'll write the script. Tonight I'll go to the gym. That's not a starting point, that's a mountain. And your brain at 2% looks at the mountain and shuts down. The minimum input says, don't start the task, start the open. Not work on the channel, just open the document. Not write the script, just type one sentence. Not go to the gym, just put on a shoe. That's it. That's your only commitment. Here's why it works. Opening a document costs almost zero energy. Your brain doesn't register it as a threat. The resistance drops, and once you're in, the feedback loop starts. The battery finds charge it didn't know it had. Quick action tonight. Pick one thing you've been meaning to start. Don't overthink it, just open it. That's enough. Step 2, the identity swap. Here's the thing nobody tells you about why ambitious people stay stuck. It's not that they lack drive, it's that they're in love with their own potential. As long as you never start, you never fail. And as long as you never fail, you get to keep believing you could be great. That protection is costing you everything. The identity swap kills that loop in one move. Stop saying, I can't make myself start. That's a restriction. It builds resistance. Start saying, I don't wait to feel ready. Say it again with me. I don't wait to feel ready. That's not what you're restricting. That's who you are. And your brain will start building behavior around it. So quick action tonight. It's next time you feel the resistance, say it out loud. I don't wait to feel ready. Then open the document. Step 3, the relapse protocol. You will have nights where even step 1 doesn't work. You'll open the document and you'll close it. You'll put on the shoes and you take them off. That's not a failure. That's data. Most people spiral when they miss a night. One miss becomes 2, 2 becomes a week becomes I'll start fresh next Monday, on Monday becomes it's next month. The relapse protocol treats a miss as a trigger to diagnose, not a reason to quit. When you miss, ask one question. What drained my buffer tonight? Was it a shift, a conversation I had? Was it bad sleep? Find the trigger, adjust the input for tomorrow, and then immediately return to step 1. The plane doesn't need to see the destination, it just needs to start moving again. So the quick action tonight is write down one thing that drained you today. That's your data point. Tomorrow's minimum input accounts for it. Here's the line. Write it down if you need to. Waiting to feel ready is just quitting in slow motion. You will never feel ready at 6 p.m. after a full shift. I still don't. That feeling is not coming. And every night you wait for it, it's just another night the gap between who you are and who you want to be gets wider. The people who build things don't feel more motivated than you. They just stop waiting. Systems beat willpower every time. So tonight, 3 steps. Minimum input, identity swap, relapse protocol. Don't do all 3 perfectly, just do step 1. Open something, that's enough. If you save this to watch later and you're only just watching it now, that's fine. You came back, that's the cold start system working. If this hits, subscribe. 3 videos a week, all built around one idea. You already know what to do. Let's build the system that makes you actually do it. Grab the free executor kit in the description. It's the exact checklist I used to solve my own cold start problem after a full shift. Free, link right below. Drop a comment. What's the one thing you keep meaning to start but haven't yet? Like, subscribe, and I'll reply to every single one. Let's grow together. See you all soon.